Buongiorno ai miei amici, oggi abbiamo una bella macchina per voi. Penso che vi piace molto, una pièce con qui Maserati Quattroporte Sport GTS. Let me turn this camera. Check out this beauty here. 2009 Quattroporte Sport GTS with only 40,000 miles, coming all the way from sunny California. Check out this beautiful car. Almost new tires, Michelin Pilot Sport with all season with 245 3520 in front and 295 3020 in the back. Special the red Brembo calipers. You know the drill, guys. Check out the Suede Interior, carbon fiber door trim and interior cabin. Quattroporte Sport GTS featuring prominently along with Ferrari red stitching. Lots of suede on the seats, also on the headliner, which is good because this is not going to droop ever like the other cheaper ones. One thing I like about this Quattroporte Sport GTS is that you get all the features here. Notice you got the massage seats, heated seats, and cool seats as well, plus the lumbar support and everything else. So this car is a screamer. One other thing I should mention is you also have a spare tire and jack and everything else you need to replace a tire if need be. Also, K40 radar detector. I forgot to take a picture of this caliber remote here. And 40,000 miles. Let's turn down this fan a little bit. 40,404. Notice the check engine light went off. It takes a little while to set. Let me show you that engine. Check out that beautiful Ferrari red block there. By the way, Ferrari, this engine was developed in cooperation with Ferrari. Let's listen to that exhaust a little bit. I hope this microphone catches the sound of this thing. Let's notice it has 2-zone climate control. I can set my own temperature here, and the front occupants can also choose their own temperature. Bose sound system all around. Bose surround sound. Let's see what this engine sounds like. Let's have a little bit of fun. This is a treat to my fellow Eurosport customers. Listen to that. Guys, if you're in the market for a Quattroporte from Maserati, do yourself a favor, spend a little more and get the Sport GTS. Special tuned, special exhaust, special suspension, lowered from the factory. This baby was, I believe, close to $160,000 back in 2009. Today's money, that would be at least 200. I have to plug in that calculator. Notice I don't even have the sport button. I didn't engage the magic button here yet. As soon as I get past this light here, I'm going to engage it. Notice it doesn't say sport. Let's press the sport button here. Notice it shows up there. Whoa! This car yells, "Get out of my way now." Wow. This is sport mode in the Sport GTS. Suspension is nice and stiff. It feels like it's running on the tippy toes. You can downshift, by the way, with this paddle shifter. It's a treat to drive. Notice when Maserati, it reverts back to drive if you paddle shift it. Whereas with Aston Martin, once you downshift it, for example, it stays in that gear and it downshifts all the way to 1 if you come to a complete stop. But then you have to remember to switch it back into drive mode because it stays in that gear. I like this setup better than the Aston Martin. Very nice controls here. You have, let's see, you have AM, FM, and XM radio. You also have all the settings here. Bluetooth, by the way, right there. And then you can change all the settings here. Phone, audio, system, AM, FM, disc options, library, iPod, nav. You got all these different things you can play around with if you're bored. Also, you got a shade in the back there. Alright, let's see if I can get past the Chevy Cobalt SS. SS sounds pretty intimidating. Let's see. Can we get past this guy here? Mission accomplished. Oh my god. This car is nuts. Wow. I can see you guys getting yourself in trouble if you don't watch it. So do not get distracted with your phone if you drive this car. This is a sports car and they don't mess around with this. Love that interior. The suede with the red stitching. Carbon fiber interior. Quattroporte Sport GTS. No sticky buttons issue here at all, as you can tell from all the buttons. Nice and clean. The Tpms works on these cars. It's pretty easy. It's pretty frequent that it doesn't work. Notice if you push this button here, trip A, trip B, and there's the Tpms. It displays the pressures. If you press it one more time, it shows the seat settings, right seat. I like to show the RPM gauge here. Alright, well, I hope you liked joining me on this quick jaunt in town. It's July 15th on a hot, muggy day here in North Carolina, but I don't care what the weather is like. If you drive this car here, it's gonna put a smile on your face, guaranteed. Check out this smile I have on my face here. Woo! This thing is nuts. Anyway, thanks for checking us out, guys. Thank you for following us on Facebook and Instagram. I hope you enjoyed the sound here. I don't think it ever gets old. Please keep watching our channel. Stay tuned. I have yet another Quattroporte Sport GTS just like this. Only difference being slightly less miles, 36 instead of 40,000. Anyway, thanks for watching, and come back, see us again.